Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of my COACH unboxing, and this time I got a COACH Tabby Top Handle. So I did pre-order this one weeks and weeks ago, and they just fulfilled my order, and I am so excited because this particular item has been sold out. This one got sold out pretty quickly. I wasn't able to get this one when the first day of the sale, and I keep stalking the website until finally I got this particular beautiful Tabby Top Handle. So here's the box. Oh, okay. It's beautifully wrapped. I do love the COACH wrap their items. It's very, very nice. So let's open this together, guys. Okay. So if you're actually tuning in on my channel, so most of the time I do a lot of unboxings, and you're probably gonna have to expect that on my channel. So here's how it looks. The inside, yeah, they actually wrapped it nicely. And this is how, okay, let me just take this. Okay, here it is. Oh wow. Surprisingly, most of the time when I receive those packages from COACH, most of the time they already it either came with a full packaging that has been wrapped in a plastic, or sometimes they have already put it in a dust bag. But this is the first time that they just wrap it in a paper. So anyways, wow, such a reveal right away. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at the color. It's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think this is the largest size for the top handle from the COACH Tabby. I know the largest one is probably, yeah, they have a Tabby Hobo, that's the largest one. And then this one, I think the Tabby Top Handle. And then they also have a Tabby Top Handle, which is in the size 20. And then they have a Tabby shoulder bag, and then the Tabby 26 shoulder bag as well. So yes, I thought this is like huge, but it is a really good size though. But the color is so beautiful. Wow. I love the fact that this one, I mean, on the website, this one looks so red, but apparently in person, this is more of like a deep red. So my nails is red right now. This one is a little bit on the lighter side. This one, they call this one is in red as well, but this is more of like a deep red. I love it. Wow, I am so surprised. Oh my gosh. So this is the top handle. This is just my most favorite part. This one has a brass hardware, as you can see. That's the brass hardware right there. It's beautiful. And then, oh, look at the hardware. Did you guys see this one? It's such a beautiful touch to it. So this one actually, the snap, this is not a snap closure. Okay. Oh, now interesting. Oh, okay. So the closure for this one is entirely different than the other Tabbies. Okay, just like that. So the Tabby shoulder bag, the one that I got, is more of like a magnetic. So this one is you have to press on the side, which is very, very interesting. I kind of like that one. And also here, the logo right here. This is made up of tortoise resin. Oh wow, so beautiful. Wow. Most of the time the hardware is made up of, yeah, brass, nickel, pewter, and the tortoise resin is such a beautiful, beautiful touch to the bag. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Okay, so this one is made up of pebbled leather around here, but this one around, I think this one is made up of refined calfskin leather over here, because the texture is entirely different than the side of it. This is the pebbled, and this one is more of like a, yeah, feels like a glove tend though. Very, very smooth. I think this is a refined leather, I guess. Refined calfskin leather, which is so smooth. Says like that. Okay, this is the pocket here. This is a front pocket where you can actually put something inside. This is very soft. Wow. Okay, here it is. This is the dust bag. Okay, that's good. I finally found the dust bag. Here are some stuffing on the inside. Let me just take this one out. Okay. Okay, so the inside has two large compartment. The inside has two large compartment. And also right here in the front, right at the first compartment, it has a snap closure. Slip pocket. Yeah, it's a snap closure slip pocket on the inside. I don't know if you guys could see that. And yeah, this is the large pocket over here on the back, and also there's a zip pocket right here. Oh wow, how many dust bags this one came from? Oh wow, they gave me 2 dust bags. Okay, that is interesting. This is the first time that ever happened to me that they put 2 dust bags. Probably they tried to stuff this bag to maintain its structure, but for some reason they probably couldn't find more stuffing, so they just put a dust bag in there just to, you know, to maintain its structure. But that was very interesting. This is the story patch, the patch grid right there. Very nice. And this one is made up of, it just feels like a microfiber lining. It's very, very soft though. I love it. I love that it is so soft. And also, okay, let me try to close this one. That's the side. Oh, the side. Oh wow, this side. Guys, this is actually my first Tabby Top Handle. So I don't know anything about this bag except from looking at it from the website, from the details from there. And this one on the side is actually made up of suede material. Wow, the contrast. I was just looking at like, hey, that's different. So this one is pebbled right here. It's made up of pebbled leather. This one is a refined calfskin leather. And also on the side, it's made up of suede. Wow, that's such a lovely, lovely combination of different texture. And the bottom, it has feet, 4 feet, 4. Let me see. Yeah, I saw some wear actually. But yeah, it was heavily. I saw some wear on the feet. I believe this is a return because this is actually, I don't know, this was actually back ordered. When I placed an order, it says online it was back ordered. And you're just going to have to wait when they're going to fulfill your order. This was fulfilled last week. And I just received this one. And yeah, it was surprisingly, well, I wouldn't be surprised they gave me a return one or a used one. But as long as they're in perfect condition, I really don't mind. But you could tell by at the feet, there's a lot of scuff. There's a lot of, yeah, sign of wear actually. So who probably got this one and returned it, probably like, yeah, it has been heavily worn. I don't know if you guys could see that. I don't know if my camera is catching up, but yes, there's so many scratches. I'm all right with the scratches, but when it started to discolor, that's the thing that bothers me a lot more than anything else. I mean, brass is like, yeah, I could really tell that this has been used a lot though. I mean, well, if the scratches is fine scratches, I'm all right. Yeah, but yeah, that's terrible. But anyways, let me just look at the condition of the bag. I think it's gorgeous. Oh, look at the hardware over here. The TARDIS resin is such a beautiful addition to this. Oh my goodness. I'm surprised, really. This is really, really, really nice. Wow, I just so love it. The size is perfect though. The size is perfect. Apparently for some reason. So this has a strap. So the strap is removable. You could remove the strap, and also the strap is adjustable as well. The top handle is, yeah, permanent. You can't remove the top handle. And also, yeah, it's beautiful. So let me just look at the stitching right at the corner. I think the stitching is, yeah, the stitching is like the same color as, yeah, the stitching is so hard to see, guys, because of the pebbled leather. The pebbled leather kind of stitching kind of blends into it. But as far as just looking at the condition of this bag, I think it's pretty good. The only thing that I saw somewhere is at the bottom, yeah, there are some glitters on this one. I'm seeing a little bit of like hairs and stuff. And yeah, the only thing that I saw signs of wear is just like at the bottom. As far as, let me see the lock right here. Yes, there is some sort of wear, of course. Let me see. On this side where you usually try to pinch it, I could hardly see. Yeah, there were some scratches. I'm all right with that one as well. But yeah, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is my very first Tabby top handle in the largest size for top handle. This is beautiful. Very, very nice. Lovely color. I think this was originally $500 something, and I only paid, I think, almost $300. As far as I remember, I can't remember it anymore. I'm so sorry. I wasn't really ready. I wasn't supposed to be telling you the price. But yeah, this is the tag. So they removed the tag right there. But yeah, but overall, upon looking at it right now with the lighting, I think it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. And I think this is such a very well structured bag. Very nice. Those beautiful feet, I love it. And yeah, so far I think this is a keeper so far. I mean, yeah, there was right here at the corner. Yeah, this one has glazing, but I think the glazing was perfectly done though. Yeah, I think the glazing was perfectly done. And yeah, so far I didn't see any wear, of course, on that side. Yeah, just so you know, guys, with Coach, this hardware right here, you could actually customize this. You could change this one over here if you want to change it with some grommets, or it could be like you want to put some sort of like Swarovskis that they have. You could do that as well. But for this one, I think I would just gonna have to leave it as it is. It is so beautiful. And yeah, I mean, yeah, this is currently sold out. This is completely sold out. I think, as far as I remember, as far as I could, yeah, they have it in color saddle, which is brown, dark brown, which has the contrasting color as well. The part here is lighter, and this one, no, the part here is pebbled, and also here is made of refined calf skin. I think that was also beautiful, but I have already the brown and black is such a very common color, so I just really wanted to have something different, and I think this is Such a beautiful, beautiful color, guys. I am so amazed. Really, I am so amazed that I mean, the color itself is so beautiful. Very classic color. It's very nice. This one actually complements really well with the bag. The tortoise resin really complements really, really well. So that's what I like about it. So anyways, this is all about my unboxing today with the COACH Tabby Top Handle. And if you get, well, I don't know, guys, sometimes like you could probably visit your local store, maybe they have it, because sometimes like well, yeah, the website, they didn't really, they do update their website periodically, so it's more likely that, you know, this would still be available at the store, or maybe more likely, you know, they still have it in the warehouse. So if you're interested in any of these, you could just probably gonna give your local store a call. And I think this is really, really such a really beautiful bag, and the price itself, so it's so hard to beat the price. And the COACH summer sale is still going on right now, and they added a lot of stuff every single day. And yeah, I think this is worth it. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you later. Bye.